Hello students of Standard 4th. How are you all? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying your studies. Let's begin an online session of English. Myself, Renuka Seshwar, your English teacher. JML Public School Sitasaungi welcomes you all in e-class. Our today's topic is Mix Up at Birth, Part 1. This chapter is taken from your English Reader, Unit 1, Lesson number 2. Before to start the lesson, I would like to ask a questions to you all. Tell me, how different would your life have been if you were born in a different family, in a different state, or a different country? Did you imagine ever? If not, then just imagine. So, our today's lesson is based on this story. Okay? So, let's start the lesson. See this picture. There is one picture of a person. Can you please tell me who is he? Do you identify him? He is a very big and great cricketer of India. Tell me, who is he? Yes, he is Sunil Gavaskar. He is Sunil Gavaskar, the cricketer of India. Okay, so this lesson is based on his life. There is one incident happened in his life when he was very young, when he was born. So let's start the lesson. Mix Up at Birth. This is a story when Sunil Gavaskar was born. So let's see what happened in his life. He may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if Sunil Gavaskar's uncle, Mr. Narayan Maswekar, what is the name of his uncle? Mr. Narayan Maswekar, had not come into his life the day when he was born on 10th July 1949. He was born on 10th July 1949. It seems that Nankaka, as he called him, Nankaka, Mr. Narayan Maswekar, he was called him as Nankaka. So Nankaka, who had come to see him in the hospital on his first day in this world, noticed a little hole near the top of his left earlobe, the corner of left earlobe. Okay, the next day he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib next to his mother. To his utter horror, he discovered that the baby didn't have the hole on his left earlobe. A frantic search was made and he was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman, totally ignorant of the commotion he had caused. The mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. So suddenly everybody was surprised and everybody was discovering where he has gone. He was mixed up with the another baby. I think everybody was guessing that this had happened when the babies had been given their bath. So this is the first part of this lesson. The rest of the part we will see in our next lesson. So enough for today. I hope everybody will listen carefully and understand the lesson. Let's see what is the next. Now this is your assignment. Answer the following question. On basis of today's lesson, this question you will solve in your notebook. Your question number first is, what did Mr. Narayan Mashwekar notice on his first visit to hospital? Mr. Narayan Mashwekar, it means the uncle of Sunil Gavaskar. So what did he notice when he visited first day in the hospital? Question number 2 is, where was the baby found? Where was the baby found? So these all questions you will write in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See you again in our next part in next class. Till then, bye bye.